Hello everyone. My name is Diana Stewart, President of EnvirOx, and we have a quick update for you. First of all, I hope that you and your family and your co-workers, your community are staying safe, doing well, and navigating these challenging times. We are doing our best to support you in every way that we can. And if there's anything else that we can be doing, please let us know. We take your input very seriously. We're doing our best right now to ramp up our products, the ones that you love the most and are most wanted, and at the same time, we're effectively caring for the well-being of our team. As you know, across the country, states are reopening. It's a new world of protocols and procedures for everyone. For the cleaning professionals, this is a new world that's going to bring new changes. Your work is likely going to become more public than ever. Safety and cleanliness have become locked together in all of our minds. Education and training materials are more valuable now than they have been, not just for cleaning staff, but for school boards, executives, administrators, everyone who inhabits these spaces that we care for. EnvirOx is here to help. First, we have a new landing page and video that highlights the correct cycle of disinfection. It focuses on the fact that disinfection is a process, not just a product, and it absolutely involves cleaning. It also highlights why green cleaning is more important now than ever. With the increased use of disinfectants that are often more toxic to people and the environment, we must use safer, healthier technologies wherever and whenever possible. You can find the links to these tools below and also at the end of this video. In addition to that, we've also created a new collection of wall charts for our critical care disinfectant. Critical care is one of two products we carry that are on the EPA List N for disinfectants that will likely kill COVID-19. It has an emerging pathogen kill claim and with a dwell time of only 3 minutes. Our multilingual charts will make training easy. EnvirOx has secured a consistent and increased supply of critical care RTU. This supply chain for this technology of disinfectant is different from quaternaries and bleach products. They have ramped up manufacturing, and we expect the technology to continue to be available. Thank you. Thank you for your time and your ongoing support. Please be well and let us know what else we can do to help your cleaning efforts.